how to post Instagram stories on desktop. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to post Instagram stories in your desktop. So for that, all you have to do is just open Instagram and just log into your account, and once you're logged in, all you have to do is just right click on the spare screen, and after that just go to inspect, and on the right side you will see all these options. You have to click on this toggle device toolbar, so just click on it, and here just select the dimensions. You can choose the dimension that you want to see your Instagram as. I'm just clicking on iPhone 12 Pro, and just refresh your page, and here you will see the option to add Instagram story in your account. So just click on it, and now just select any of the picture that you want to upload as a story in your Instagram. After that, you can add text and add some pictures and do stuff like that. There are not much features available in Instagram in desktop, like adding songs and adding other things. So you don't have much options available in your desktop while adding your story in your Instagram. So once you are done editing your Instagram story, just click on add to your story from the bottom, and your story has been started uploading. And as you can see that your story has been updated, so you just have to click on it to see it. As you can see that your story has been uploaded in your account. And now in order to get back to your normal screen, all you have to do is just click on the dimensions again, and after that just click on responsive, and here just go back to the device toolbar and click on it, and then just refresh your page. So this is basically how you will be able to upload stories in your desktop. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.